Hello everyone, and welcome to another LDCSB tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to attend a live Microsoft Teams event, such as a graduation or live performance from many of our incredible students across the board. With Microsoft Teams live events, we can bring the event to you. As an attendee, you can't share video or audio, but you can do two things. One, you can watch the live event, and two, you can participate in the moderated Q&A if the organizer chooses to activate this feature. Before watching the live video, you'll need to consider a few things. We recommend using an updated version of Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for the best experience. If you are using an Apple computer or iPhone, you'll need to download Google Chrome from the App Store, as Safari is currently not supported by the platform. If you already have Microsoft Teams installed on your phone, tablet, or computer, then you don't have to download anything, as the link will open directly within Teams. When a live event is occurring, a link will be shared with you through your school's website, your email, and/or a school messenger. On the day and time of the live event, open the link or copy and paste the link into Google Chrome. The following screen will show. If you already have Microsoft Teams installed on your computer, you can click Open in Microsoft Teams. There should be no setup, and it will bring you directly to the Microsoft Teams application and open the live event. The same features are available in both the application and the browser version. We'll go over those soon. If you don't have Teams, you could download it, but we recommend just clicking Watch on the web instead, as it's quick and simple. You could sign in now if you have a Microsoft account, or if you'd like to stay anonymous, you can simply click Join Anonymously. You have access to a few controls when watching the live event. On the bottom left, you can pause, adjust the volume, and skip to the live portion. There is around a 10 to 20 second delay from the in-person event in what you are seeing on the screen. Live events allow you to take control of the experience. If you join after the event starts or need to step out during, you don't have to worry. You can pause, rewind, and fast forward like you were watching your DVR at home. In the bottom right, you can turn subtitles on or off, and even choose a different language to translate the event into. Microsoft Teams' powerful AI will automatically translate the live event in real time for everyone to enjoy. If you want to watch the event in full screen, simply click here. All these features are available from phones, tablets, and computers. If the organizer chooses to allow rewatching the event, the same link you used to join the event will contain the recording after the event is over. You can rewatch or share the recording with all of your loved ones. Now it's time to sit back and relax while you watch your loved ones cross the stage or perform like a movie star. Thanks for watching.